I'm having the same problem with leaking with this rain coming into my apartment, through my window, as I've been having. The window is not open. The window is not open, but I have all of this water and it's still dripping. And I'm going to show you where it's dripping from. Right here. No way I can close this portion. It's coming from right here. Regardless of whether there is a vent or ventilation system that's open, it should not be. There should not be a crack that allows water to come through here. So it's dropping down, right down here. So instead of getting my phone all wet, I'm showing you now that you need to put some caulking on this portion that I just showed you, instead of just saying that something is going on the outside of the building. It needs to be repaired right here. This is what I've been saying. This is where it needs to be repaired. There needs to be some caulking put right in here. So that this doesn't happen every time there's a hard rain in my apartment. I pay full price every month without fail. I would expect to receive, at least not have to deal with this. This has been happening since last summer.